Welcome to Lokhidev Das Information YouTube channel. Now I have presenting debit recovery agent DRA exam question and answer in English part 8 presented by Lokhidev Das 9101046197 Director Krishnaguru Computer Training Center KCTC and CSE E-Government Center Okajan Santipur near Brahmaputra Vidyalaya Okajan Shilapathar District Dhamaji Assam PIN 787059. Question number 141. Before making a telephone call, DRA should ensure that answer 1. He has been authorized by the bank to collect the days from the borrower, and 2. The borrower has been notified by the bank of the details of DRA. Question number 142. What would be the attitude of DRA during the recovery process? Answer: understand and be patient with the borrower. Question number 143. When DRA visit the house of the borrower, answer: he finds that the borrower has gone out and few of his relatives came to his house. He should leave the house and choose another day to meet him. Question number 144. While conversation with the borrower, he demands to know about rights and duties of DRA. Answer: you have a right to follow the instruction of the bank that has engaged him for the stipulated task. Question number 126. In a contract of agency, answer: consideration is not necessary. Question number 127. What is full form of CIBIL? Answer: Credit Information Bureau of India Limited. Question number 145. Before taking any legal measures like repossession of security, what should be done by DRA? Answer: give due notice in writing after bank's authorization. Question number 146. The function of recovery agent under an agency agreement include: answer 1. Only collection of the specified dues from the customers. 2. Only documenting and reporting collections / developments to the principal. 3. Only remitting the collection of dues to the principal. Question number 147. An agent is bound to render proper accounts to principal. Answer: as per section 215 of Indian Contract Act. Question number 148. The laws and regulations which govern debit recovery of a bank's dues apply. Answer: to be bank employees and its recovery agents. Question number 149. Attachment order in respect of bank accounts is issued by tax authorities. Question number 150. What is financial inclusion? Answer: means making banking facilities available in a rural unbanked area. Question number 151. When bank generally allows overdraft to a current account customer, the relationship between the customer and the bank is: answer: creditor and debitor. Question number 152. Saving bank accounts contain restrictions regarding answer A. Number of withdrawal per quarter and 2B. Numbers of withdrawals per transaction in ATM. Question number 153. Principal function of the banks are A. Accepting deposit, B. Lending and investing, C. Non-fund business and remittance services. Question number 154. Current account deposits is not entitled for answer interest. Question number 155. Payment bank can accept deposit, that is demand deposits having balance not exceeding rupees 1 lakh per customer. Question number 156. Small finance banks are required to give in finance. Answer: minimum 75% of total loans to priority sector. Question number 157. The bank which pays the merchant for the transactions through debit or credit card is called. Answer: acquiring bank. Question number 158. Interest in saving bank account is paid on answer: daily products basis. Question number 159. Money lending refers to answer: conversion of money received from illegal sources. Question number 160. Repay card is a answer: debit card. Question number 161. The security in housing loan is answer: mortgage of the house property financed by the bank. Question number 162. The debit recovery agent should follow A. debit recovery policy and producers of the bank principal, and B. the directives of RBI on. Thanks.